On this episode of CALS 101, we're going to talk about your online account and its many features, like personal information updates. You can set your email address and contact preferences, your pickup preferences. You can also change your username and password. You can keep track of the books you've read or want to read, rate books you've finished and leave reviews, and stay notified on your holds and due dates. You can also join a community of readers. You can follow authors and other readers to stay notified of their comments and updates, and you can message users to discuss their reviews and create book lists with them. You can also explore our online catalog. You can create holds and check out items, and there will be a step-by-step on how to use the CALS catalog coming soon. So let's take a look at accessing and navigating your online account through this virtual walkthrough. First, you're going to start at the CALS website. That's CALS.org. In the top right corner of the page, you'll see a small button that says Login in the orange banner. A pop-up will offer login/sign-up options. Whether or not this is your first time using the CALS catalog, you will need to click the Login or Sign Up button, and then follow it to this page where you'll type in your barcode or username and your password or PIN. For the purpose of this video, I've created a special card for a page turner, and this is us setting up the brand new account. If it's your first time using your library card, you will need to set up your account this way. It's simple. You put in your date of birth, your email address, your first and last name, and move on to the next page. And this is where you'll create a special username. Rather than having to enter your barcode every single time, I've chosen P. Turner Reads. You'll also need to approve the Bibliocommons terms of use. After clicking Complete Account Setup, you'll be taken straight to your new account. After setting up your account, you'll come to this landing page where you'll have the opportunity to set additional settings. Some of these settings include your language preferences. We have ours set to English. You can also choose which branch of the library you would like to pick up your holds and checked out items. You can also select your display defaults and community content. This means that if you don't want to see spoilers in reviews, you can make sure they're hidden. You can also choose to hide offensive content and simply click Save when your settings are done. When you've finished all of your settings, simply click Explore your new catalog and you'll be taken to your account's dashboard. A brand new dashboard looks like this. Nothing is in the checked out box, nothing is on hold, and all of your dashboard information is blank. Of course, it doesn't take too long for that to change, so let's look at an established account. If you've used your library card for a few days, you'll see that some things have changed on your dashboard. Here are some things to note. Up here in the top right corner, you'll see a drop-down menu. It has all of the same options that your dashboard's left-hand screen menu has. You can check notifications, send messages, return items, all of that. But you can also access all of that information here on the left-hand side of your dashboard screen. You can see what items you have checked out, on hold, your borrowing history, and any fees or fines you might have. This is also where you would pay the fee for an out-of-area library card. You can update your profile, and you can check on your shelves. These are books that you're saving for later, that you have in progress, that you've already completed, and you can create any extra list if you'd like. One of the lists that Page Turner has created is their For Later shelf, where they've marked 2 books that they'd like to read at a later date. At the very bottom of the page, you can also see some great book lists that have been put together by CALS staff. If you want to follow them, you can. We try to keep them as updated as possible. Let's take a look at a profile. This is our community use of the CALS account. If you think of it a lot like Goodreads or another book review social site, you'll get a good understanding of how BiblioCommons can be used to keep track of the books you like and dislike. You can also leave reviews, read reviews, rate books, message readers and authors. There are so many options to build a community of readers within your profile. When you're ready to log out for the day, that option is up in the top right corner of your screen. Thanks so much for signing in to today's episode. We hope to see you next time.